Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a Warak Enab or vine leaves stuffed with rice and veggie recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I have vine leaves and 2 cups of small grain rice, half tomato paste, olive oil, fresh mint, 5 pieces of tomatoes, 3 pieces of lemon, 3 pieces of white onion, a few spring onion, and a bundle of parsley. And I prepared here a teaspoon of pepper, a half teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and teaspoon of onion powder. Now let's get started. And now let's soak our rice for about 20 to 30 minutes. And set aside. And now let's prepare our vine leaves. Let's remove the stem. Yes. And now our vine leaves is done. Remove all the seeds. The stem. Now put aside. And now let's prepare our veggie. Let's wash and cut it. All our veggies are already prepared. Now after 30 minutes, let's wash and drain our soaked rice. Now with our empty bowl, put our rice, add our tomatoes, onion, our spring onion and mint, our chopped parsley. Let's add a tablespoon of tomato paste, olive oil, our prepared seasoning, squeeze our lemon, only 1 lemon this time. Done. Let's add it to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients. Mix it gradually. And our stuffing is already done. And it gives an aromatic, delicious smell. Now it's ready to stuff our vine leaves and roll. There's a 2 sides of the vine leaves, the soft and the tough part. This one is the tough part and this one is the soft part. The soft part should be in the bottom and the tough part should be on the top. And now let's put a small portion. And now let's roll. Should be like this. Now there's our remaining sauce. Keep it for later on. And now here I prepared 3 cut rounds potato, 2 peeled round tomatoes, 2 carrots, And the cured vine leaves I didn't throw because we're gonna use it for later, and a fava beans. Now in our cooking pot, let's put our cured vine leaves under, spread it, and now let's put our tomato, put it in a round shape, and our potato and our carrot, and now let's arrange our stuffed pine leaves into circular shape also, and add fava beans, now let's continue arranging our stuffed vine leaves. Put the last batch of fava beans. There's the sauce. Now put the remaining sauce, our stuffing, and for our sauce, I squeeze the 2 remaining lemon, put tablespoon of tomato paste, put olive oil, half teaspoon of salt, add 2 cups of water, and mix it very well. Now our sauce is done. Let's pour over our stuffed vine leaves. And now let's cover with a heavy load. Now it's done. Let's put it on a fire. Turn it on and put it in medium heat and wait until totally cooked. Now let's check our Warak Enab. Smells so good. Now it's very soft. Now let's turn off the gas. Smells so good. And our delicious Warak Enab or vine leaves stuffed with rice and veggies recipe is ready to serve. And now let's arrange them in serving plate. And now done with our vine leaves. And now let's put potato, and let's put tomato peel, form and flower shape, and decorate also some sliced lemon. And now our Warak Enab or vine leaves stuffed with rice and veggies is ready to serve.